So hello guys and welcome back to another video. So today we are going to talk about C++. So in this video we are going to see and know what is C++ and why C++ used and what we can do with C++, and this will be a series of C++ programming, and in this full series I will bet that you will know about everything about C++ and you'll become a basic coder of C++. So let's get started. So before starting the video, I'm gonna tell you and remind you, if you haven't accessed this playlist of C++ programming, please access that. So because all the videos will be save in this only, and click here to save the playlist. And now let's get started. Let me cut the steps, and I'm gonna explain you with this slides which I have made by myself. So when we hear C++, so the first question came in our mind, like, what is C++ basically? So C++ is a cross-platform language that can be used to create high-performing application. C++ was developed by Brian Stroustrup. So this means C++ is a cross-platform language which is used to create high-performing applications. So this is the basic needs of C++. So, and it was developed by Brian Stroustrup. So the developer was Brian Stroustrup. What is the use of C++? Like, every programming language have a use because they are made for that. So the use of C++ is also there. So C++ is used to make games, GUI based applications, adobe systems, database software, MySQL server, operating system, Apple OS, browsers, Mozilla Firefox, advanced computation and graphics, alias system, banking application, cloud, distributed systems. So these all are the uses of C++ and why we should use C++ and why it was made. So there's a line, database software, MySQL server. So sometimes it came in our mind, like, can we use C++ as a backend language also? So here's the question. So the answer is yes, we can use C++ as a backend server because um, some programmers, not the companies, some programmers use C++ as a backend language only because it's easy to compile and run, and like it's an object oriented programming language, so it's like better and efficient. What is the difference between C and C++? So the difference is not more, like C was not an object oriented programming language, OP, because in that you have to define every class, like there was no class one. You have to define everything and write every single line particularly. But in C++, it has been changed to object oriented programming language, and now you can create classes and like that. If you don't know what is now classes, because you have started it or you are beginner or an intermediate, so this whole series is for you. So, like, what are the differences? Let's see. Both the languages have a similar syntax. As I told you, there were only some similar changes, like it was changed into the object-oriented programming language, and like more. Core structure of both the language are same. Like every code system, how to like define them are all same in C and C++ both. The compilation of both the language is similar, like how we compile C, in the same way we compile C++ also. They share the same basic syntax nearly of C operators and keywords, also present in C++ and do the same thing. Like, you can see everything are same only, but C++ has a slightly extended grammar than C, but the basic grammar is the same. Like I told, they are not much differences in C and C++. So there are some English or grammar changes in C++ and C. basic memory model of both is very close to hardware. So the basic model of both the languages are similar or like same notions of stack, heap, file scope, and static variable are present in both the languages.